Okay, so you are welcome to another problem. So we are going to solve for y in this relation, right? In this problem, we have 4 to the power y is equal to 1 over 8. Okay, 4 to the power y is equal to 1 over 8. Now, the 4 is not a prime number, and the 8 too is not a prime number. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to find the prime product for the 4 and the 8. Okay, now, if the 4 is not a prime number, it means that there is the need for us to get the prime product. Now, for you to get the prime product for the 4, it means you need to get a number that will multiply a prime number, right? Mostly prime numbers that will multiply together to give you such a value. Now, when you look at this, we can get 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Now, 2 is a prime number, and the other 2 is also a prime number. Okay, the two twos are prime numbers. Okay, now the 4 will give us 2 to the power of 2. It means the two twos will give us 2 to the power 2. And when we come to the 8 will give us 2 to the power 3. It means that you multiply 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us what? 8. So it means that the prime product for the 8 is 2 to the power 3, and the prime product for the 4 is 2 to the power 2. Now, because there is y attached to the power of 4, it means that here, when we are attaching the 2 to the 2, we need to attach y to it. So here we have 2 to the power 2y, which is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 3. Okay. Now, when you look at the 2 to the power 3, now you see there is 1 over, right? Now, per the laws of indices, when you have something like this, it means that we need to bring it up. Okay, so you can see the 2 to the power 3 is down. So we need to make it linear. Okay, so that we'll be able to solve for what? Y. Now, per the laws of indices, when 2 to the power 3 is brought up, no here is positive. 2 to the power 3 here is positive. But when we bring it up, it becomes what? Negative. So here, when you look at the third line of our solution, we can see 2 to the power 2y is equal to 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, so we brought the 2 to the power 3 up. So we have 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, now, so this will give us 2 to the power 2y is equal to 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, per the laws of indices. Okay, per the laws of indices, when the bases are the same, what are we going to do to the exponent? It means that we will equate them. Okay, so since we have 2 to the power 2y is equal to 2 to the power minus 3, you can see the basis 2 is here, 2 is also here. So it means that the bases are the same. So it means that we are going to equate the exponent. Okay, so it means that 2y will be equal to what? Minus 3. Okay, so here we will not bring the base again because they are the same. Okay, now, since 2y is equal to minus 3, it means that we are going to solve for y. So we'll divide through by 2. Okay, so the 2 will cancel 2. So 2 will cancel this. Then it's also canceling the other side. Okay, now these 2 will cancel this. So it will be left with y. Now, the 2 here cannot divide this directly. So it will be left with minus 3 over 2. Okay, this is an improper fraction, a negative integer. Okay, so now the 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2 will be converted into what? A mixed fraction. So negative 3 over 2 will give us negative 1 whole number, 1 over 2. So this is the solution for solving for y. Okay, so thank you, and put up your comments on the other session.